Hello friends, today we will learn about the Perl. Perl is a practical extraction and report language. Perl is a programming language developed by Leopold and specially designed for text processing. Means it is a language which is used for the processing of text files. And as we know, it stands for practical extraction and report language. It runs on a variety of platforms such as Windows, Mac OS, and the various versions of Unix. Now, what is it? Is an interpreted language. Means there is no need to compile the program, just like C, C++, and Java languages. It is an interpreted language optimized for scanning text files and extracting information from them and printing reports based on that information. Perl is very powerful string handling features. Means it has very powerful string handling features. String handling features means it has a lot of string functions like string comparison, string copy, string length, etc. And it is available on all platforms, means it can run on all platforms like Windows, Mac OS or Unix. Perl is a stable and cross-platform programming language, and it is used for mission critical projects in the public and private sectors. Perl is an open source software which can be editable and it is freely available on internet. So we can download it from the net and can install on our system, and it can run on different types of platforms just like Windows, Mac OS and the Unix. And as we know, it is created by Larry Wall, and the Perl 1.0 was released in 1987, and first it was released, or we can say developed for the NASA. And the main advantages of Perl is speed of development. You can enter the program text file and just run it. It is an interpretive language. No compiler is needed, means there is no need to compile the program. We can write the program and can directly run it. It is powerful. The regular expressions of Perl are extremely powerful. Uses sophisticated pattern matching techniques to scan large amount of data very quickly. Perl is a portable. Portability is the another advantages of Perl. Perl is a standard language and is used and is available on all platforms, means it can run on different platforms, and free versions are available on the internet, so we can download from the internet and can use on different platforms. It is editing programs. No sophisticated editing tool is needed. There is no any editing tool is needed to edit this Perl program. Any simple text editor like Notepad, we can use it to edit this program. The another advantage is flexibility. Perl does not limit the size of your data. Means when we store a word in a string, and we can store a line also in a string variable, and the whole file, all the content of a file in just a single string variable. So there is no limit on the size of data. If memory is available, Perl can handle the whole file as a single string. It allows one to write simple programs to perform complex tasks. Next, how to run Perl. Perl can be downloaded from the internet. As instance, for Windows operating system, we need to run Perl from the command prompt, and for this we can use the cmd command to get command prompt to Windows. And for Unix and Linux, we need to run directly from the shell prompt. Now, working through an example. Recommended steps: create a directory/folder where we can store the Perl files. Using any text editor, we can create a file, a Perl program with the following content, like test.pl is a Perl program which having the two statements: print good day, which is encloses in double quote, then the print double quote having something in double quote. This is my first Perl program. Then execute the program by typing following at the command prompt: perl test.pl. So it invokes the Perl interpreter, and Perl interpreter will take the test.pl as an input and then execute the program. And here we know the double quote, the text or anything which is encloses in double will be printing using this print command, and the /n is used for the next line. On Unix and Linux, an additional line has to be given at the beginning of every Perl program. Hash, exclamation mark, then /usr/bin/perl. It is indicating that the Perl is installed under this. When we install the Perl in the system, then the files of this Perl is stored inside this directory, inside this folder. So it is the path of the Perl installed files, and these two statements is indicating the source code or the code of Perl program. This is two statements: print good day and print. This is my first Perl program, and we want to print this using this Perl script. Now, Perl features. Perl takes the best features from other languages such as C and Shell script and basics. Perl database integration interface DBI supports third-party database including Oracle, Postgres and MySQL. Perl works with HTML, XML and other markup languages. Perl supports Unicode, and Perl supports both procedural and object-oriented programming. Perl interpreter can be embedded into other systems. This is the basic program of the Perl. And I am going to give you a small conventional Perl hello world program here, and this is the statement of the Perl program: print double quote hello comma world /n double quote semicolon. This statement will print the text or the data written inside the double quote. In the second program, we have a variable. $H, $name and $salary is the variable which is used to store some kind of data, like 25, which is an integer data, and John Paul is a name. It is a string which is stored inside name, and a floating point data is the 1445.50 is a floating data which is stored inside the salary variable. So when we printing these variables data using the statement print double quote is equal to $H /n double quote. So when we executing this program, the first statement will print age equal to 25, and second statement will print name equal to John Paul, and the third statement will print salary equal to 1445.50. Now the applications of Perl. As mentioned before, Perl is one of the most widely used language over the web. Perl used to be the most popular web programming language due to its text manipulation capabilities and rapid development cycle. Perl can handle encrypted web data including e-commerce transactions, and Perl's DBI package makes web database integration easy.